We have a lot of family coming for the holidays every year because we live right outside DC. And well, they don't all fit upstairs, so we've decided to fix up the basement. But just like you are, we're on a budget. So today, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to acid stain these floors. So DIY means what? Do it yourself, right? But sometimes when you're doing a project like this, you really gotta bring in a friend. Here's mine. Say hi, Dave.
Hey, Dave.
So Dave's gonna help me out today, and we're gonna do this together, and we're gonna teach you how you can do it too. Promise. The first thing you're gonna have to do is vacuum. And vacuum! 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 Once that's done, start mopping. Hey, so now that you've got your floor all clean, I mean, you could eat off this. I'm not eating off this. But anyway, you get my point. We need to etch it. Why? Because we want to make sure that the stain can really penetrate in. This is what we're using. H&C concrete solution, okay? You just sprinkle it on. You mix it 2 to 1, 2 water, 1 etching solution. We used a watering can, got it all over, sloshed it in, and let it dry. And then we're ready for the fun part. H&C etching solution promotes penetration. The next step is put up the plastic. It's really thin. It can be a little hard to work with, but once you get it up, it'll stay up and protect your surfaces. And when you're done, it's a fashion accessory. So this is what we're using. H&C INFUSION water-based, semi-transparent, decorative stain. There are lots of stains on the market. This is the one we're using. But first, let's read the directions, shall we? Look at that. I'm gonna walk you through it, I promise. I need my glasses. Basically, it says to shake. So let's get this party started. Now pour it into your hand pump sprayer. Okay, the main thing is don't paint yourself into a corner. I'm not talking figuratively here. I mean this. Oh, he's starting. And now the fun begins. Time to start spraying. You've already taped off the walls, so make sure you get in those corners. If you miss a few spots, don't worry about it. We'll come back over those later. And if it pools in a few spots, that's okay too. It will sink into the concrete, trust me. Can you believe it? Look at this. Look what you did. Okay, well I did. Well, technically, Dave did. But you and I are doing this together. And this is what you can do at home too. You're almost there, kiddos. The last step is applying the sealant. Start at the edges first and make sure all the corners are covered. Then you can start rolling everywhere else. Don't freak out. I know it looks like all that beautiful color is going away as it deepens with the sealant on top, but just you wait till it's dry. Can you believe how cool this is turning out? I didn't think it was possible. I mean, yeah, I knew it was possible. I knew I could do it. You can do it. Trust me. If I can do it, you can do it.